Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Tess here, and in today's video I want to show you guys two more websites that you can use to make some side money for yourself online. Just to take note that these are websites that you do not make so much amount of money from it, but you do make little bit of it for yourself on the side. So if you have nothing doing, these are some of the websites you could get started with to like start making money online. So these are not like get quick rich schemes, but yeah, some of the websites you could try if you're trying to get into making money online. These are some of the websites that I did start with to like start making money online. So just take note that some of these websites require you to like fill out some surveys, do some tasks, and sometimes these tasks may not be available, or sometimes you do not match the tasks that they have given out. So it all depends on whatever you're doing, or sometimes it does depend on your profile, it does depend on your location, your geographic location. So yeah, these are things like you should take note in with these websites. So it's not everything that you will qualify for. Some you do qualify, some you don't. So yeah, that's why I'm saying it's not like a get quick rich scheme, but yeah, it's more of a way of getting something small on the side if you're trying to find ways in which you can start making money online. So let's get right into the first website. So the first website is Survey. Yeah, and this website is mainly all about earning money simply by completing surveys. So you participate in surveys, you earn points, and then you request for prizes. So normally this website, you basically fill out surveys, you earn points, and then with these points you convert them to prizes. So these prizes can either be like PayPal money, you can get gift cards. So it does depend on whatever you would want to request for. So here you can see these are the prizes, or the dozens of prizes you can earn from. So PayPal, if you want it in cash, you can also get gift card for Zalando, Amazon, or Decathlon. So as you can see here, Surveya is in about 123 countries worldwide. It has over 2 million registered users. It has rewarded over 1 million euro, and it has offered about 3 million surveys to like the participants who are taking place. So how it works is you simply have to register, and after completing your profile, you will soon start to receive surveys via your email. And once you have completed them, you'll be credited for your first dollar or pounds. When you reach the threshold, you can receive the money via your PayPal account or convert them into fantastic gift cards. So that is how you simply to do these surveys, or you get to earn from this website. So we only ask you to respond honestly to these paid surveys. So normally when you're carrying out these surveys, just be honest in whatever you are filling out, and yeah, just give your honest opinion. So whatever you have to do is you have to register. When it comes to register, so it will ask you for your location. So since I'm in Germany, you can see that is what it has told me to, I'm in Germany. So you have to simply choose your location and see which country you're in, and then with that register through that. And yeah, it is as simple as that. Nothing is complicated really with this registration process, and you do not pay to register for this. It is absolutely free to register for this website. So that is the first website. So the second website that I want to show you guys is this one over here. It's called Nievo or Nievo. So this website, you simply get paid to improve like the artificial intelligence. So we have like there are so many range of companies who are using artificial intelligence, and so they would want to improve whatever it is that they are using the artificial intelligence, the AI. And so normally most of the time they do need assistance from like real people, because AI is obviously a machine or a technology, so they do need like assistant from like human beings. So that is where you come in. So here it says it's a global community working to improve the artificial intelligence behind a whole range of technologies. Join and you could help create anything from smarter virtual assistants to more realistic video games or even self-driving cars. So what you have to do is you simply sign up to do tasks and get paid to help shape the future. So this is how you sign up, you do the tasks, and then you get paid via PayPal. So what you would do is that normally companies submit projects to Nevo to help improve their AI systems. When you're matched for a project, you'll be asked to complete a set of simple tasks, which could be a form of text, audio, images, or even a video. So that is what you would be doing. So you can see here, they can ask you to like tag some images. You can also see they ask you to probably transcribe or transform audio into text. So that is also some other tags. You can see also they say annotation of text. So like there are different tasks you can do on this website. And so all you have to do is that you need to be human, spare some time, and then once you complete the task that you complete, then you are paid via your PayPal account. So that is it for this website as well. Nothing complicated as well about it. So you can see all you have to do is join today. So you have to fill out all your information, complete all the three procedures to like fill out your profile, and then you will start receiving tasks. So I found out that with this website also they do have their app, and with the app you also fill out your profile and details based on where you are. And I also did see it's like depending on the language you speak, they do ask you to like take some sort of certification test to see your language proficiency and see if, for example, you speak English, they'll give you some simple tasks to see how good is your English. If you speak German or Italian, they'll also give you like this language test to see how good is your language. But it is nothing complicated. You can honestly pass it. And then from that, now they start sending you tasks based on your language and how proficient you can be with the language you've registered with. So that is what I got to see about the app. But it's something anyone can do, anyone can register. There's nothing complicated about it. And yeah, guys, I'll leave these links in the description box. Just look at my description box and try to register, and let's see how it goes. So I hope this was helpful. I hope to see you guys in the next video. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe, share, like, and leave a comment. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.